emergency requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will shortly be delivering a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. A national emergency has been declared due to an unusual phenomenon occurring across the United States. If you are hearing this message, head indoors and do not look at the night sky. At approximately 9:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there were reports of strange deadly creatures roaming across the majority of the United States. These creatures are used by an unusual phenomenon of unknown origin. NASA recently made a statement regarding this phenomenon, saying it is due to an English mythology known as Blue Moon's Curse. The Blue Moon's Curse happens every 1,000 to 2,000 years on the last night of between the months of August and October, where the moon turns into a shade of bright azure blue, and whomever looks at it falls under the curse, turning into a vampire with these characteristics: torn up clothing, razor-sharp teeth, razor-sharp claws, wings on their backs, spikes down their backs, bright blue glowing eyes, and blood dripping from their mouths. These vampires show homicidal aggression to those within their vicinity, and are known to attack and kill anyone on sight, showing absolutely no mercy. Catastrophic damage has been reported throughout the entire nation as this horrible event unfolds. All residents of the United States are strongly advised to seek a safe and sturdy shelter immediately. Close, lock, and barricade all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close all fireplace dampers, and seal all cracks on windows and doors with tape or damp towels. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a fully charged cell phone, toiletries, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries to last you for the duration of this emergency. Turn off any and all unnecessary lights and electronic devices, and stay as quiet as possible to avoid attracting these vampires. Do not go outside for any reason. Do not look at the blue moon, as you will fall under the curse and turn into one of these vampires. Contingency plans are being enacted on to prevent catastrophic damage from occurring and to ensure the safety of the human race. Regular programming will be suspended until further notice. Emergency broadcasting will remain online to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KVLA. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. Stay tuned to the emergency alert system for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.